looking for a company to design, install, configure, or perhaps just support an existing computer network? Maybe you're looking for a network cabling company, or perhaps you need someone to install servers and data storage systems. Or you might just be searching for an IT company to help get your business backed up to the cloud. Whatever IT network help you need, you might be reassured to hear that today's technology is fantastically fast and relentlessly reliable. This is in no small part attributed to just a handful of quite remarkable companies. You probably already know them. In fact, if you go into any modern business, from a shop to an office, from a warehouse to a factory, or from a restaurant to a data center, you'll more than likely find Dell or HPE servers blinking away in some quiet little room, working their magic. More often than not, they will be accompanied by Synology data storage systems, and of course Netgear Wi-Fi routers and switches. This wonderful concord of IT companies all work together to connect all your business's IT and even CCTV systems. Dell, HPE, Synology and Netgear are all household names, but there's one company you're probably not so aware of, a company that joins all these titans of IT seamlessly together. It's a company that installs miles of unseen IT network cables through business premises up and down the UK. It's a company that connects business Wi-Fi routers and network switches, so you can do everything from going online to printing a document. It's a company that configures your servers and file storage solutions, so you can run your business software and back up all your work securely. And it's a company that can support your entire business IT network, looking after everyone in your organization who's using a computer or mobile device. This company works with Dell, HPE, Synology and Netgear, and Microsoft products daily. They are ISO accredited as network security specialists, and they are 100% UK-based. They are an IT company you can call if you're moving offices, installing a new computer network, or if you just need help with your business computer systems and software. What's the name of this company? Bias IT. Whatever your business, we've got IT covered. For network cabling, network hardware installation, configuration and support, call today